Teaching is considered as one of the noblest professions as it contributes a greater educated population to the world. Teachers are the ones who choose their careers to spread knowledge and wisdom. On October 5th, take time to celebrate World Teachers' Day by sending them an online greeting cards. Saying thank you and how important your teachers are in your life are the best gift for them. Here we prepare useful teachers' card templates that you may send on that day. Search a beautiful picture of your teacher to be uploaded in this mobile app. Tap the Creative Background icon and choose the template that you like. Double tap to replace the image. The app will automatically give you the transparent subject. Adjust the image and hit the Save HD button once satisfied with the result. You can now send these beautiful Teachers' Day greeting cards to your one-of-a-kind teacher. Thank you for watching.